Dashcams are devices that record everything that happens in front of your car, from accidents to road rage to funny moments. In this video, we'll show you some of the best dashcams on the market and help you find one that suits your needs. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Garmin Dashcam 67W. One of the best dashcams on the market, offering a compact design, a wide-angle lens, and a high-resolution video recording. It also has some smart features, such as voice control, GPS, and driver safety alerts. In this review, I will highlight the pros and cons of this device, and help you decide if it is worth buying. The 67W is very small and discreet, measuring only 5.62 by 4.05 by 2.19 centimeters and weighing 57 grams. It can be easily attached to the windshield using a magnetic mount, and removed when not in use. The video quality is excellent, thanks to the 1440p resolution and HDR technology. The camera can capture clear and detailed footage in various lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to dark night. The 180-degree field of view covers a wide area, and the audio recording can be switched on or off by voice command. The device has a 2-inch LCD display and buttons on the back, making it easy to set up and use without a smartphone app. However, the app also offers some useful functions, such as viewing and downloading videos, adjusting settings, and accessing the Garmin Vault storage, where the camera automatically uploads saved clips to the cloud when connected to a trusted Wi-Fi network. The camera has a built-in GPS that records the location, speed, and direction of the vehicle. It also has a range of driver safety features, such as forward collision and lane departure warnings, red light and speed camera alerts, and a Go alert that signals when the traffic ahead moves. These features can be customized or turned off according to your preference. The lens is very wide, which can cause some distortion and fisheye effect at the edges of the video. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use, and feature-rich dashcam. It has a compact design, a wide-angle lens, and a high-resolution video recording. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Rove R2, a great device for capturing high-quality videos of your driving adventures. It has a 4K resolution, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. It also has some advanced features like night vision, parking mode, motion detection, and time-lapse video. The 4K video quality is impressive, especially during the day. The videos are clear and sharp, and you can see the details of the road, the scenery, and the license plates. The night vision is also decent, although not as good as some other models. The Wi-Fi and GPS are very convenient and easy to use. You can connect the dashcam to your smartphone via the Rove app and view, download, and share your videos on social media. You can also see your driving route and speed on Google Maps using the app. The dashcam has a reliable recording system that saves everything it records automatically in 3-minute clips. You don't have to worry about missing any important moments or losing any footage due to a power outage or a memory card error. The dashcam also supports up to 512GB micro SD cards, which is more than enough for most users. The dashcam has some useful features that enhance its performance and functionality. The parking mode and motion detection can protect your car from theft or vandalism when you are away. The time-lapse video and slow-mo video can create stunning effects for your videos. The G-sensor and emergency video lock can save and protect your videos in case of a collision or a sudden braking. The Rove R2 dashcam is a solid choice for anyone who wants to record their driving in 4K resolution. It has a lot of features and functions that make it versatile and reliable. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is Vantru N5, a unique and innovative product that offers 4-channel recording, exceptional video quality, and nearly 360-degree coverage around the vehicle. It is designed for drivers who want to capture every detail of their driving environment, including the front, rear, and passenger cabin. The N5 consists of 2 camera units, each with 2 lenses. The front unit has a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor that can record up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, and a cabin camera with 4 infrared LEDs that can record the interior of the car even in low light conditions. The rear unit has a rear camera with HDR technology that can record up to 1080p resolution at 30 fps, and another cabin camera with 4 infrared LEDs that can record the back seat and the side windows. The N5 supports up to 512GB micro SD card, which can store up to 25 hours of 4-channel video. It also has a 3.19-inch screen, a Type-C USB port, optional GPS logger and a Wi-Fi module that supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. The Wi-Fi module allows the user to connect the dashcam to a smartphone app, where they can view, download, and share the videos. The N5 also has a voice control feature that enables the user to operate the dashcam hands-free. The N5 has several advanced features that make it a smart and reliable dashcam. It has a 10-second pre-recording capability, which means it can capture the events before the collision or the motion detection. It also has a customizable motion detection zone, which allows the user to select the areas they want to monitor when the car is parked. The N5 also has a supercapacitor instead of a battery, which makes it more durable and resistant to extreme temperatures. The N5 is a great dashcam for drivers who want to have a comprehensive and clear view of their surroundings, especially for rideshare, Uber, Lyft, or commercial fleet drivers. It can help them to protect themselves from false accusations, disputes, vandalism, theft, or any other incidents that may occur on the road or in the car. The N5 is a high-end dashcam that delivers excellent performance. And number 4 on our list is Nexa Beam Dashcam, a compact and affordable device that can record high-quality 1080p Full HD video and GPS data. It also offers unlimited cloud storage of clips for free, which is a rare feature among dashcams. However, it also has some drawbacks that might affect your experience. One of the main advantages of the Nexa Beam Dashcam is its simple and easy installation. The camera comes with a suction cup mount that attaches to the windshield, a long power cable that can be tucked away, and a tool to help with the cable management. The camera itself is small and discreet, and can be easily concealed behind the rearview mirror. Another benefit of the Nexa Beam Dashcam is its seamless integration with your smartphone. The camera connects to your phone via Wi-Fi and uses the Nexa app to stream the footage and GPS data. You can also access your cloud space from the app, where you can view, download, and share your clips. The cloud storage is unlimited and free, which means you don't have to worry about running out of space or paying extra fees. However, the Nexa Beam Dashcam also has some limitations that might affect your satisfaction. One of them is the dependency on your phone. The camera only works when your phone is connected and has Wi-Fi enabled, which can drain your phone's battery and use up your data plan. If your phone is not available or compatible, the camera will not function properly. Overall, the Nexa Beam Dashcam is a decent device that offers some unique features and functions. It can capture crisp and clear video and GPS data, and store them in the cloud for free. However, it also has some flaws that might affect your performance and convenience. If you're looking for a simple and affordable dashcam that works well with your phone, the Nexa Beam Dashcam might be a good option. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Viafo A119V3. A budget-friendly dashcam that offers great value for money. It has a sleek wedge-shaped design that fits snugly on the windshield, and a 2-inch screen that lets you adjust the settings and view the footage. The camera comes with an optional GPS mount that records your speed, location, and time, and a polarizing filter that reduces glare and enhances contrast. The camera records in 2560 by 1600 resolution at 30 frames per second, using a Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor that delivers clear and detailed video quality. The camera also has a wide dynamic range feature that improves the visibility in low light and high contrast situations. One of the main attractions of the Viafo is its buffered parking mode, which requires a hardwire kit to enable. This mode allows the camera to record events that happen when the car is parked, such as collisions or vandalism. The camera has 3 options for parking mode: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The auto event detection mode records a few seconds before and after an impact or motion is detected, while the time-lapse mode records at a lower frame rate to save space. The low bitrate mode records continuously at a lower quality to capture more details. The A119 is easy to install and use, and comes with a long mini USB cable and a dual USB car charger. The camera has a supercapacitor instead of a battery, which makes it more reliable and durable in extreme temperatures. The camera also has a G sensor that locks important files in case of an accident, and an emergency button that allows you to manually protect a file. The Viafo A119V3 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam at a reasonable price. It offers excellent video performance, useful features, and reliable operation. It may not have some of the bells and whistles of more expensive models, such as Wi-Fi, cloud connectivity, or driver assistance systems, but it does what it is supposed to do very well. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.